So here I am in Fort Walton Beach in between some appointments, and just thought I'd break down a part of the AC NeverClog system that is a very important part of the system. I've had a lot of pushback from HVAC techs until I've introduced this particular component because they've said it won't work. They've said the idea is great, but the P-trap won't reprime itself. So after I show them our evacuating manifold, their tone completely changes. So this is a counterweighted flap valve, and as you can see, it's in the closed position. Whether it's vertical, or whether it's horizontal, or whether it is installed at an angle, it's always in the closed position when installed correctly. That means condensation is allowed to continue to flow out of the system. So that's important because when this is installed, our evacuating hose plugs right into this port, and this port gets plugged into your AC drain line. So every 24 hours, our system turns on, it runs for 60 seconds, and it clears the entire drain line. After it shuts off, it drains the system. The problem where HVAC techs say this won't work happens right here. So we have cleared everything out of the system, which means the P-trap is now dry. Well, the P-trap is designed to block negative pressure from making its way back into the system, preventing the condensation to flow correctly. So that's where this comes in. Negative pressure systems, what that means is that your air outside is positive to the inside, which means when your AC drain, your air handler is running, it is actually creating a vacuum of air from the outside. Well, if it's trying to condensate, that vacuum of air prevents it from condensating correctly. So when this is closed, that can't happen. It allows the condensation to fill that P-trap back up and then start to condensate correctly. This evacuating manifold is also serviceable, as you can see. So once a year, we do recommend just kind of checking it out, maybe rinsing it out through this port here, and water will just flow through, just to make sure you haven't had any type of buildup or anything, which there shouldn't be, because after it's cleared the first time, it is evacuating it every day, and it is emptying the system every single day. So here we have it. This is our evacuating manifold. That's how it works. It also prevents bugs, frogs, lizards, snakes, mud daubers, snails, and cold and hot air from getting into the system. For example, in the wintertime, your P-trap has evaporated, it's completely dry, and it's a completely open line to the air handler. So that means you're sucking in cold air through your system, and it's less efficient. It takes longer to heat your home. It is not as comfortable. And when this blocks that cold air from occurring, it actually makes your system more efficient. It can maintain the temperature inside the home better, and you have a more efficient system. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.